university decided to have a strategic plan spanning from 2021 to 2025. Today, we are in 2023. So therefore, the question is, what has your strategy propelled you to achieve? Within that space, one of the key issues highlighted is for us as a technical university to provide basic skills for industry. How do we achieve that? Promote industrialization through relevant research, consultancy, and leakages programs for social and economic development in the Western region and the country as a whole. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are simply here this morning to, as it were, get what we have been able to innovate, the technologies we have been able to put together to achieve our mandate. And for that matter, our purpose this morning is for us to ensure that what we have purpose to do is done. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the theme for this year's Technology and Innovation Fair is Think Smart, Be Innovative, and Create Wealth. This is appropriate in this era where the nation is at the crossroads of addressing youth unemployment. This fair seeks to achieve three main objectives. These are: one, to provide a platform for students and staff of the university to showcase their brilliant, innovative ideas they have developed to make the world a better place and a more sustainable one. Two, to ensure that the ideas the students have acquired through their studies are transformed into viable projects with the intent of unearthing the entrepreneurial potential of the students, thereby impacting positively on society. Besides this, the fair will, among other things, ensure that students are challenged to think smart with their innovative ideas and create wealth for mankind.
When you train somebody to have the skills, you produce three things. The person is able to create job for himself. Somebody is able to buy the knowledge and competence acquired by the person. And the person being able to create job for himself is also going to employ somebody. So technical education is what builds every nation. When you neglect the investment in technical and vocational education, it means that your country is not going to develop. If you go to any of these advanced countries, they invest hugely in TVET education. I mean, as we sit here, the four corners of this building was done by a TVET person. The chair you are sitting on was done by a TVET person. The microphone I'm speaking into, the signal that is going out there was by a technical person. The dress you're wearing, your top down, your shoe, your watch, your tie, your belt, even your hair do was done by a TVET person. So technical and vocational education is what holds the world. So if we should just put 40 students of mechanical electrical engineering in one lecture hall and give them 4 years to develop and then learn how to manufacture batteries for EVs, where is the position of this university? So let's collaborate and let's look at the emerging trends. That's why the topic chosen, be smart. Think smart, be innovative, and create wealth. So we have to be smart and look at the trends, where the trend is moving, then we move towards that trend. And then we have to innovate. How are we going to do it? Other jurisdictions, other civilizations have done it. We can do it. We can. Yes, we can.
We can this in the name of the Father, in the name of the Son, and in the name of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
we are producing our own water, TTU Aqua.
Wow.
So we are going to do bottling, and then other things that we want to do. So you see some of these things. When you go into hospitality, we saw some of the packages and all those things. So we want to scale it up, and then there's funding for it, and we want to move into it to create wealth for the university.
The whole world is gearing towards the investment in technical and vocational education. So the issue or the challenge we have is the fight against the perception. And I believe that where we are now, we are gradually getting there. People are getting to know the essence of technical and vocational education. So that is really, really coming down, and we are getting there.
We are looking at the training of students with hands-on skills. And by hands-on, we are looking at the ability to produce students who are able to use their skills to realize particular technological advances that can bring about breakthroughs in, that is, solving human problems. So that is what this university actually is about. And what is happening here is the first of its kind, is the maiden edition of the Technology Fair.
So I think this program needs to be encouraged so that biannually we used to have such programs on all the technical universities. It's going to help promote the technical universities worldwide. At the end of the day, we're going to get more students, and the world and Ghana at large is going to enjoy most. As you know, STEM and TVET is the way to go now. So I think we all need to embrace it and also utilize what we have.
I must tell you, I'm thrilled. Wow. Looking at the kinds of works that have been exhibited, it tells me there's a lot of hope for the future. And in fact, this is the basis for the establishment of technical universities.
Everything in innovation is always in motion. It's a process. And once you begin the process, then you continue to even innovate your own process so that you can get the best out of it.
Okay.
So we are going. Even the US is not there yet.
Sure.
Yeah, because they continuously try to innovate.
That's right.
We are learning. And the process may not be easy, but
we shall get there.
The next is for the industry players to come on board, partner Technology Technical University, improve upon the quality of what we've produced, and then move from laboratory to industry, then to commercialization.
So coming around to see what the students are capable of doing, I think is a very good idea, because by the time they finish school, they already know that as far as TTU, Technology Technical University, is concerned, when we take the student on, they already have the hands-on training, and they are going to help us achieve our aim as an organization. So I think it's a very, very good initiative by the school.
For all mothers and fathers and parents, guardians out there, I would say that encourage your children to find a vocation. Having your own work is a blessing. You get to be creative, you get to make your own money, you get to manage your own time, and more so you are fulfilled. Instead of finding a job that gets you out one day, another day you are out of work, when you have your own business, it's fulfilling and it's satisfying, and you're able to employ other people as well.
In vocational, technical, applied sciences and art, a unique training in human resources.